Okay, in question 3a, part 4, 5 and 6, we are supposed to find sine, cosine and tangent with respect to angle Q. Okay, in our diagram, angle Q. So before we start, it is always useful to identify the sides. Okay, we have our hypotenuse, which is the longest side in the triangle, Z, in a right angle triangle. Alright, so two ways to identify hypotenuse: the longer side and also the side that is opposite our right angle in a right angle triangle. That will always be the hypotenuse. Next, we have our opposite and adjacent sides. So we are left with sides X and Y. Okay, Y is adjacent to angle Q because Y is a straight line that forms angle Q with Z. Z is not adjacent because we have already identified it to be the hypotenuse. There can only be one hypotenuse in a triangle. Okay, and hypotenuse doesn't depend on angles. Okay, like adjacent and opposite always depends on angles that we are taking with respect. So now we take Q with respect. A will be adjacent, and then X is opposite Q. Okay, X is a straight line, but it doesn't form angle Q, so this is opposite. Okay, so with these three sides identified, we can do our sine, cosine, tangent. Alright, using our Tuakaso. Alright, T for tangent. So tangent is opposite over adjacent, so it will be X over Y. And then cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so it's Y over Z. And sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so X